So I've been given a task to change the surname for one of my clients on their data protection statement and the privacy policy on their website, and I wanted to show you a tip of how to find a certain word easily and quickly on a page and how we can switch that out. So her surname is Pratt, and what we want to do is press Control and F and we type in the word Pratt. Now I've just literally just done that, but I'll retype it in anyway. And then it will come up and highlight and show you where these words are, and then you can skim through those 3 occurrences of her old surname, and that will help you then go in and change it out. And that's it. Follow me for more tips.